In this video, we are going to be making some sublimation coasters. So if you want to see how to do it, just keep watching. If you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie. My channel is all about crafting on a budget. I do Cricut and sublimation videos. If any of those things interest you, please consider subscribing. We're on our way to 7,000 subscribers. Join my YouTube family. Hit the bell notification button to be notified every time I upload. And let's jump into this video. For this project, we're going to need some sublimation coasters. These are from Coastal Business. I'll have it linked down below. I do not get a commission from this link. And these are hard board coasters, so they're really nice. I prefer them to the rubber ones. They're more durable and they're pretty affordable, so check them out. You're going to need your design. I am going to be making 4 coasters. You're going to need some butcher paper or crafts paper. This is going to help protect your heat press from getting sublimation ink on it. So whichever one works. Parchment paper also works as well. You're going to need some heat gloves so that you don't burn yourself when you touch it afterwards. And you're going to need some heat tape. Don't use regular tape, it's going to melt. Use some heat tape. It's always linked down below, including the dispenser. And you're going to be using your heat press or your easy press, whatever you have. So we are going to start off by prepping our design. We're going to take our coasters. I'm going to be doing 4 of them. Always make sure when you have any kind of sublimation blanket, this one doesn't, but always make sure that you take off. You make sure to check if there's like a film, like a clear protective film. These don't have it, but always just make sure. So I'm just going to be wiping these with my hand, kind of just make sure there's no lint on it. Okay, so once we have them like that, we're going to take our design and we're going to place it on. You can kind of see through the paper. This is A-sub paper. You can kind of see through it, so you can kind of know where you're placing it. Make sure you have your heat tape nearby. And once you have it how you want it, you're going to take your heat tape and you're going to tape your design down. Just like that. I always recommend a dispenser because if not, it's much harder to like rip off the tape. Okay, they're all ready to go now. Now we're gonna move to our heat press. Okay, so we're gonna take our heat press, we're gonna open it. It's already preheated. I'm gonna take some craft paper. You can get this at Dollar Tree. I'm gonna take a coaster that I'm not using and I'm going to place it down and I'm gonna find my pressure. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull down my, and I want it to be hard to push down, but not too hard where it's gonna break. So I'm gonna lighten it, just release that pressure a little bit. I think that's a little bit too much. So I am going to, let me show you up here. I am going to lift it up again, tighten it a little bit. That feels a lot better. So now I'm gonna lift it up. I'm gonna take my crafts paper, put it to the side. I'm gonna take my heat gloves because now this is hot. I'm gonna grab it, put it to the side. And now I'm gonna take the ones that I really am going to use and I'm gonna place them down. I'm gonna put that crafts paper again, put it down. I'm going to close my heat press and I'm gonna press at 385 degrees for 60 seconds. to take my crafts paper off. And I'm going to lift up in one swoop. Try to do it in one swoop. It might be easier to just flip it over in one swoop. Just take off the tape and lift it up. I absolutely love how these turned out. I just wanted simple coasters that had meaning and Bible verses on them. So I love how they turned out. They're perfect. And I love sublimation. I love that these will never fade over time. I've had this coaster for years now and has not faded, nothing has happened to it other than my daughter, but it still looks really good. So you guys should definitely try these out. These are my favorite. I don't like the rubber ones. These are the best. Try them out and let me know if you guys love them as much as I do. They're waterproof and they're just amazing. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to comment down below. Tell me anything. I love to interact with you guys. I know I've been a little behind on responding to comments. I'm so sorry. I will do my best to be better at it. No excuses. Lots of new content coming your way. Thank you guys for supporting me. It means the world to me. I love you guys so much. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.